Is your refrigerator leaking water onto the floor? Before you call a repair technician or buy a new fridge, watch this first. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I fixed my leaking fridge in under 10 minutes. No special tools, no professional help, and no expensive parts. You'll learn the hidden cause of fridge leaks, how the fridge defrost system actually works, a step-by-step fix anyone can do, common mistakes that make leaks worse, when you should repair versus replace. This simple fix could save you hundreds of dollars. Like, subscribe and share this with anyone dealing with a leaking refrigerator. Let me guess. You walked into your kitchen, stepped on something cold, and thought, why is my fridge leaking water again? Before you panic, before you call a repair tech, before you spend hundreds of dollars, I fixed mine in 10 minutes. No tools you don't already have. No professional help. No replacement parts. And the best part? This is the exact reason most fridges leak. And almost nobody tells you. Stay till the end, because I'll also show you when this fix won't work. So you don't waste time or money. What most people think is wrong, but isn't. When a fridge leaks, most people assume the fridge is broken. The water line burst. The appliance is done for. So they do one of three things. Call a technician. Ignore it. Buy a new fridge. Here's the truth. In most cases, the fridge is not broken. The problem is something incredibly simple, and it builds up slowly over time. Let me show you. How your fridge actually handles water. Your fridge creates moisture every single day. During normal operation, 1. Frost builds up inside the freezer. 2. The fridge enters a defrost cycle. 3. That frost melts into water. 4. The water drains through a small hole. 5. It evaporates underneath the fridge. Simple system. But here's the problem. That tiny drain hole, it clogs easily. Food particles, dust, ice, mold. Once it's blocked, water has nowhere to go. So, it does the next best thing. It leaks. Signs. This is your problem. If this sounds familiar, keep watching. Water pooling at the bottom of the fridge. Ice forming inside the freezer floor. Leaks happen every few days. No visible damage to hoses. Fridge still cools normally. If that's you, you're about to feel very relieved. The 10-minute fix, step by step. Let's fix it. Step 1. Unplug the fridge. Safety first, always. Step 2. Remove the freezer panel. Inside the freezer, remove the back panel. You'll see frost buildup. A small drain hole at the bottom. That hole is the villain. Step 3. Melt the ice. Use warm water. A turkey baster. Or a squeeze bottle. Slowly pour warm water into the drain hole. You'll feel resistance at first. That's the clog. Keep flushing until the water flows freely. Step 4. Clear the drain line. If needed, use a zip tie. Flexible wire. Pipe cleaner. Do not use sharp objects. Once it clears, you'll hear water dripping underneath the fridge. That's exactly what you want. Step 5. Dry, reassemble, plug in. Put everything back. That's it. No parts replaced. No money spent. No stress. Why this fix works and lasts. Most fridge leaks aren't mechanical failures. They're maintenance failures. Once the drain is clear, water flows normally. No pooling, no ice buildup, no floor leaks. To keep it from happening again, clean the drain every 6 months. Don't overpack the freezer. Wipe spills immediately. 5 minutes of prevention saves hundreds later. Common mistakes that make it worse. Here's what not to do. Ignoring the leak. Shoving towels under the fridge. Using sharp tools in the drain. Cranking temperature colder. Cold temps make ice worse, not better. When this fix won't work, let's be honest. Sometimes this isn't the problem. You may need a different fix if the water line is cracked, the door seal is torn, the drip pan is damaged, the fridge leaks constantly. But here's the smart move. Always check the drain first. It's the easiest, cheapest, and most common fix. Repair versus replace. Is it worth it? Ask yourself, is the fridge cooling properly? Is it under 10 years old? Does it leak intermittently? If yes, repair it. If it's constantly leaking. Compressor is failing. Repairs exceed half its value. Then replacement might make sense. But most people replace fridges unnecessarily. Now you know better. Emotional payoff. Think about how many people call a repair tech for this. Or worse, buy a brand new fridge. All for a clogged drain. You just learned something practical, valuable, and money-saving. That's power. If this video saved you money, hit the like button, subscribe for more real-life fixes, share this with someone dealing with a leaking fridge, and comment below, did this fix work for you? Or what kind of fridge do you have? I read the comments and help when I can. See you in the next video.